and welcome to my channel, you guys. Also, welcome to those of you who are new to my channel as well. So today we're going to do a open box. This is actually from AliExpress and I got it through Amazon, you guys. So today I'm going to basically show you guys what I'm going to do with this. Just wanted to open it up. I'm only going to use one pack of the 5 pieces nail holder, you guys. So I did order 2 of them. That's why you see 2 boxes. And I'm going to also use with this removable mountain padded put it. So I'm going to be using this. And you can also use this for any posters, artwork, picture frames, and so forth. So basically I'm going to use that with this. Just want to show you guys about it. So basically, oh, and it's also for lightweight. This one is only for lightweight. So they did have different ones for weight itself. So you basically can get this from Target, Walmart, and so forth. Okay, so this nail polish I'll be using, you guys, the name of this one is Passionate Pink. So I got this from Sally's. Also 70% alcohol that I'll be actually using as well. This is the UV light that I'm going to be using, Missy's Secret. And I'm going to use these nail tips to actually put on the nail holder that I got from Amazon as well through AliExpress. Okay, here's the 100% pure cotton ball that I'll be using with the alcohol to remove the sticky residue from the nail itself, you guys. And we're going to basically dive into the video. We're going to go ahead and open this up with each other and basically see how everything is set up. So we're going to basically take this first box out. As you can see, it's 2 of them, but we're going to only use 1 today. Okay, so I'm going to just open it up so you can see how it looks. Okay, as you can see, it has that 1 bar right there. And that's all of the magnets that is on there for it to attach to. As you can see, it's the magnet. You guys, I'm going to tell you, when I was looking at it, it looks like it was more bigger than what it was. It appears bigger than what it was when I was ordering it. You guys, when it came, I was like, wow, it's really small. So, yeah. So, I decided to actually get this because I said, you know what? This will be a little easier, you know, so your girl won't have to be like having to keep taking her nails off and so forth just to make my videos, and it'll be easier for me to show you guys designs and different things. And I do have mannequin hands too, but I also had like 2 or 3. So yeah, you guys, so this I would like to show you. I'll be working with this more often, so just want to show you. Look, it doesn't even come off. It's actually attached to the actual magnet that is on the bottom, so it's not going anywhere, you guys. You can, and it also fits in a UV light just like your hand, you know, it fits in there, you know, and you can just take it out. Now if you decided did you wanted to basically take it off of this, you can basically take it off of this, but look, it doesn't move, it doesn't come off, you know. And I'm going to also use this removable mountain putty on top of this. So we're going to basically open that up and we're going to put these nail tips on top of that. So let's go ahead and open this up now. All right, I'm going to get that situated. Okay, here we go. And we don't need a whole lot, just a little bit to put on there. But you guys, when I was putting it on there, don't judge me, okay? It's my first time using it, but I noticed, I mean, Like I'm like, okay, I know I don't need but so much on this little thing. So it still feel like I did tear off a little bit too much. I took off a little too much to put on there. So if you do decide to get this to actually practice or anything like that, you really don't need but so much to actually stick the nail on. But, you know, of course, it was my first time doing this, actually putting this mountain, put it on top of the nail holder, okay? And see, that was a whole lot that I took off. And you really don't need but so much. And as you can see, I should have cut it with a scissors, but I did just pulled it off with my hand. So yes, so I'm going to show you guys how I'm actually put this on here. So I just basically tear it off with my finger, and some of them I just kind of rolled it a little bit and then place it on there. And just put it on there like that. Just like that. Ooh, you guys, look at that. Hey, it happens. Things happen, you know. And just put it back on there. Just like that. All right. All right. So, yeah. It's a little tacky a little bit, but hey, it's there. I just know that I have to make it just a little bit smaller on there. They look big right now because they are big, actually. So I just got to make them a little smaller. But I just wanted to show you guys how it actually looked with it and do a open box with it as well. And it looks good. All right. All right, we're going to get these nails on here too. We're going to put these nails on here, honey. We're going to put these nails on here. So we're going to open this up. Sorry, you guys, my hands is all in the way. Trying to adjust the camera so you guys can actually see the nails. So just give me a moment. Get this camera in here right. Okay. Forgive me, you guys. Forgive me. Okay. All right, let's put these nails on here real quick. All right. Just figure out which ones we want to use here. And just stick it on there. You just need to press it just a little bit. Not too much. Because it's there. One thing I noticed too is like when I was putting it on, I was like, oh my gosh, it's coming off, it's coming off. But you know, I guess because I have so much on that one holder, so you know I have to make them a little smaller. So next time, but just wanted to show you guys how it looks. So it actually working, you guys. Actually sticked on there and everything. I think the thing is that sometimes it was coming off, so you definitely will see that it was coming off a little bit. The nail on this tacky putty that you mount the nail to it. So as you can see, I had to adjust it a little bit. And it didn't come all the way off, but it was coming off a little bit, so I had to adjust it a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to put all the nails on here, and I'm going to paint the nails so you guys can see how it look. Okay, you guys, I will let you guys watch a video and enjoy the video throughout the video, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys? guys. I'm gonna put a second coat on here now, and I'm gonna put it back underneath the UV light. As you can see, everything looking good, you guys. So you guys, I'm just trying all this out for the first time with you guys, and I'm looking forward to using this nail holder very often in the future to do designs and styles, you guys. I am so excited. Oh, yes. Yes, you guys. Oh, also, you guys, if y'all reach this far within the video, you like what you see, you like to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, you guys, and turn on your bell notification so you can become a part of the family and be able to see all the uploads that be on Saturday and Sunday, you guys. If you're seeing the video now and it's been posted, it's because I had to edit and so forth, you guys, but definitely no later than a day after the video is supposed to be posted. Okay, you guys. So yes, look at these nails, you guys. Don't forget also to give me a thumbs up, a like for this video, you guys. Let me know if you like this video, you guys, and drop me a comment down below as well. And I definitely will see each and every one of you next week, Saturday and Sunday, you guys. Bye, everyone. See you guys.